How to rewatch recently watched videos on Facebook on iPhone. So if you're using an iPhone and you just stumbled upon a video and then you love this video such that just go ahead, watch the video. Then after a couple of minutes or hours, you want to rewatch the video again but found out that the video is no longer available on your timeline. Now this video is going to walk you through how you can easily rewatch your recently watched videos on Facebook. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Mark you, this might take a couple of seconds before Facebook will pull up the history. So if you are doing this under a couple of seconds or minutes, you might not be able to rewatch the recently watched video on your Facebook account. So after a couple of hours, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Facebook app. Now once you open the Facebook app, click on the video icon on the navigation. Then once you click on the video icon on the navigation, click on your profile icon at the top right, just beside the search box. Then hang on. Here you have access to saved videos, history, or mobile data use. So go ahead and click on history. Once you click on the history, just hang on. Then you should have access to all your recently watched videos here. The reason why I'm not having my recently watched videos on this page is because I am doing this under a couple of seconds. So for the purpose of this video, I just need to rush through and do this. Then go to videos. Here and under videos, you want to click on the profile icon at the top right or icon beside the search box. Click on history and then you're going to have the video here. Then you can just go ahead, click on it again to start rewatch. See that? So that is basically how to watch recently watched videos on Facebook. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.